What's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today. We got to take a look at a plug bathroom sink. Let's see what we find.
Hi.
Hi, you guys got a plug sink
Yeah, hi, how are you?
in your bathroom?
Yeah, you know the facing is water is not running.
No one's in there?
No, I don't think so, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go in and close the door, okay?
Sorry?
I say I'm gonna go in and close the door.
Yeah, very slow. The water going very slow.
Yeah, no problem. I'll take care of it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so we got some buildup down there. Down in there. We take our plunger, we're going to cover the overflows, and we're going to plunge this down. I'm just going to fill it up to the overflows, make sure everything's going down there fine. Almost there. Alright, so the water's going down.
It's a good whirlpool.
Alright guys, there you go. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.